Separate command in AutoCAD 3D. If you go inside, here it is separate. The same tool available in solid also, and if you go here you can see the separate tool. The separate tool, if you made like this separate object, if you made union, you can separate. I just show you. I go to the union and I select this all the object, and I select this all the object and enter. Now if you select this one, it is union. Now this union we can separate using this tool. Just go here, select this separate and select this one. Now simply just escape. Now you can see it is separate. But if you made like this union, I just make a cylinder also. Now I am going to make union. Select this both the things, enter. Now if you select, this is union. This kind of object you cannot make separate using this tool. But if you made this object using solid history, you can make changes using solid history. Otherwise you cannot make changes separate using that tool. But if you made the separate object, if you made as union, you can separate using separate tool in AutoCAD 3D.